this video series, we're working with OpenAI's AgentKit. And AgentKit allows all kind of cool templates, for you to start with templates and create workflows from scratch. In this video, we're going to go over the data enrichment agent and kind of talk about what it does and how we could possibly integrate it with other platforms. You land in this template environment. The templates kind of go away once you create an agent, but let's start on the data enrichment template. Okay, so this is not unlike other workflow builders that you've seen, and they've sort of pre-tooled some of this. So what does this do? You have these nodes to start out with, right? And you have input variables. You can add state variables, all kind of different things, right? So we're just going to leave it standard as it is. Then there's a web research agent. You're able to add your prompt instructions there, and you're able to include in chat history and choose your model. The GPT-5 Mini is going to be fast. These models are also available in Azure AI Foundry. Reasoning effort low, so we can make it fast. And then tools, we can add in MCP servers, client, toolkit, all kind of different things there, right? Code interpreter, custom functions, etc. There's a lot of ability to do things there. You have ChatKit and display response in chat, show search resources, continue on error. And these are all just different settings, right? So you're able to hover over them and kind of see what they do, which is really nice. Okay, so this is an example, analyze NVIDIA, and find the company. So you're able to add these notes on what the nodes do. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's say get Chevron details. It's going to go out and it's going to go through each part of the flow. And then it'll come back with some data related to Chevron, right? So it parses it out. It gives it to you in a nice formatted table. And then we can view details here. That's basically the details. And we can close this, right? So this is your basic chat. We can enter a new chat there, and we can just, have this as our standard flow. So we can also add user approval, all these other nodes here, right? But this is just a starting node. The really neat thing about this is this gives you a way to integrate this, right? So ChatKit per the API is kind of the REST endpoints, right? So if you go to the API documentation or reference for OpenAI, they consider ChatKit. You're going to need the ID workflow, and then you're going to add that into your REST API call. AgentKit SDK allows you to integrate this via TypeScript or Python, right? It wasn't obvious to me initially that ChatKit references the beta API endpoints that they just put out on Dev Day yesterday, but that's what it gets you. So let's publish it and call it company due diligence. And then we can publish it. And then if we go back to the main window, we'll see that the templates go away. And then you have your workflows, you have drafts, there are none, and then more templates. So in subsequent videos, we're going to go over the other templates and how they function. And then we'll end up integrating some of these with REST API, TypeScript, and Python, just as examples. So follow along if you want to learn AgentKit from a cursory level, and look forward to talking to you later.